Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win in 2 moves. Basically this is mate in 2 and black's pawns are going downward in this direction. For a tip, just take this as a tip. Black's pawn always start on the 7th rank, while white's pawn always start on the 2nd rank. So if black's pawn always start on the 7th rank, meaning these pawns are going downward in this direction. So keep that in mind, and this would help you in finding other puzzles. So as every day, guys, pause the video and guess the move. Okay, so here we have to deliver checkmate in 2 moves. That is the challenge of the puzzle, and we have to mate on b7. That looks nice, but for now the rook is directly defending that, and we can play a move like this, a waiting move, so that we can deliver checkmate on b7. But this doesn't work because obviously black can't play here, and black can just simply push one of the pawn. It doesn't matter, and this is still defended. So what else can we try? So the other thing you may probably think is playing rook to a2, but that move also don't work because now this time black will just move the rook, right? Black will move the rook, and this is not going to be a checkmate in 2, right? The correct solution is to play rook to b6. So for those of you who found this move, I want to appreciate and congratulate you. The idea is we are threatening checkmate here if black decided to capture the rook, right? So putting the rook here is not only to just deliver checkmate on the a file from the side, but also to prevent black from moving the pawn. Right now in this position, black can't move the b7 pawn. So if black decided to move like this, the b7 pawn is already pinned, so this is going to be checkmate, and black can't move the pawn, meaning black has to move this rook or this pawn, and this is going to be just checkmate in 2 moves would be just inevitable. So this is the solution. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.